Hello from me and Mishka. I've got Mishka's hair flying around. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the fact that law of assumption doesn't just turn off, and when you remind yourself of this, it's going to be a lot easier to use the law of assumption as not a diet to get you somewhere, but as something to incorporate into your lifestyle, just like a healthy lifestyle, like going to the gym, eating healthy. You're not doing it to lose the weight. Because what happens when you lose the weight and you stop going to the gym and you start eating like crap? You're gonna gain that weight back again. So today we're going to be talking about the importance of not using it to just manifest your SP or whatever it is that you want. We're using it for literally everything. Like, you've learned about the law of assumption now. We're now incorporating it into every single moment and making it easy, because it is, and I will always keep saying that. But before we do, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption, so if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. You are also so welcome to subscribe to my vlog channel, Rita Kaminski Vlogs. It'll be the first thing that you see in the description box down below, and it will also be in the pinned comments. This is where I take you on the behind the scenes of my life, and it's not all about law of assumption. It's just me taking you on my day-to-day. So if you're interested, go check it out. I would love to have you there. Okay, so what I mean is, like, you have a set goal and that's commendable, but I want you to change your way of thinking from I'm using the law of assumption right now and I'm using up all of my brain power to manifest this thing so I can get it, to law of assumption is working for me whether I like it or not. You can't just switch it on and off whenever you feel like it. At this time you're exhausted, at this time you're not exhausted. You have to make it as simple as possible for yourself. Okay, so you know how when you're losing weight, you have to make it as easy and accessible as possible for yourself, like going to a gym that's close to you, eating foods that you like but in smaller proportions, or completely going cold turkey because that's what is the best for you. Not working out and just eating a lot less. Eating the same amount but going and working out more. Like, you do everything to fit that way of life into your lifestyle by making it as easy as possible yourself, and then as you become more of a pro, you will integrate it more and more. So when you just shift your mentality to this isn't something that I have to prioritize now and go super hard, it is more like it's so easy. Law of assumption is just thinking in my favor, and I don't have to pop a blood vessel. Like, you literally just sit there and whatever you think about that you don't like, you just say, oh, actually, like, I am that bitch. Oh, actually, I am 50 kilograms. Actually, I am the most popular girl in school. Like, even from the smallest minute things, like there's such a big line or there's so many people out, you change your thoughts right quick and you're like, no, like there are no people here. Like, everyone's just gone home and it's just me and my friends. The thing that people find hard, because this was me, is they make it work. They try to make everything perfect and they try to pop a blood vessel to get into the zone or get into the it's already done feeling, or the living in the end feeling, when if you just literally use it as you're incorporating this new lifestyle into your life, and you're as simple as that, just thinking in your favor in a way where you think of something you don't like, you flip it instantly. No matter how you feel, you won't believe it, and that's fine. And it is still going to change, because it is your thoughts that matters. It is whatever you think it is. Whether you are doing it as part of like work or hustling to get it, like dropping everything and just manifesting for your SP, or being in literal spiritual psychosis and just doing nothing but affirming. Yeah. Let's not go there. Let's live our lives, do what we have to do, and we don't need to stop anything to think. We are thinking 24/7, no matter if we're doing something crazy like rocket science or going for a walk. But when you are bored, when for example I'm putting on makeup and my mind is a little bit vacant, even if I'm watching a YouTube video or whatever, doesn't matter, if a thought pops up like, am I even gonna get any views on this, I will flip it to, of course, everyone loves me, I get 100,000 views per video, everyone's addicted to my content, I'm the best at what I do, I'm amazing, I'm the best, like people are addicted, people are fiending, people, like my videos are like crack to people, and I don't have to believe it, I just say it in my mind, that's it, period, we're moving on. How simple is that? People can incorporate 10K steps every single day, being mothers. You can literally just change your thoughts without putting any feeling into it. It's literally just talking to yourself like a crazy person, and you will get everything that you want. It's worked for me, it's worked for everyone that has done this consistently, persistently, in a disciplined way. What are you waiting for? What do you have to lose? Because I swear when you change your mindset to this way of thinking without making it super important or like you have to do something special, when you just shift it to, I'm just changing my thinking, even if I don't believe it, literally, it's going to work. It's going to come to you. Let's not concentrate on the time. It shouldn't take longer than a month, okay? We're not waiting. We want our shit now. And just know that what you're doing is enough. Everything that you're doing is enough. Law of assumption works. Lately in my mind, I've just been getting this information like it shouldn't be this hard. It should not be this hard. It should not be this hard. And there's a difference between discipline hard and straining a blood vessel hard. So you have to really look at what you're doing here. If you're doing something, it is enough. And you're being consistent with it. That is more than enough. But if you're like bending your back, if you're canceling plans, if you don't want to do anything but affirm, if you are trying to figure out the most perfect way to do it, you know what I'm gonna say? There's no perfect way. We don't have to do all these techniques. We can simply just change how we talk to ourselves. Literally, be your own best friend. Talk to yourself in your mind. Go on, I dare you. I give you permission to talk like a crazy person to yourself. And you're not crazy because you're going to be talking to yourself anyways. You're just not going to be conscious of it. It's just going to be your monkey mind yapping at you and you not reverting it. Like you're still going to be talking to yourself and the thoughts are still going to manifest. So manifest in your favor. Wouldn't you just want to manifest in your favor? I really think so, and I really hope so. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I need to say today. You've got this. The thoughts that you think, that you flip is enough. What you're doing to manifest is enough. Yes, you can manifest that. Yes, you can even manifest that. Yes, and you can manifest that. How? By changing your thoughts. I want to manifest height. I'm over 6 foot. I want to be the biggest K-pop star known to man. I am the biggest K-pop star known to man. You're just talking to yourself like, yeah, I am. I am. Like, I am. That's it. Don't believe it. Feel like shit. I don't want you to feel like shit, but like you can. It's just the thoughts. Okay? I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out my vlog channel, Rita Kaminski Vlogs. I just got my Neville Goddard book as well, and I talk about that. I do talk about law of assumption stuff, just not like it's the basis of the channel. It's more like I said, behind the scenes. So with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification button and share this video with someone who needs it. Or a couple of someone's, a Facebook group, X, Tumblr, whatever. I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you all so much. Have a beautiful day. Bye.